Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can make the moving neon outline effect like this. And you're gonna make it in this CapCut PC. So let's get into it. So the very first step here, you can duplicate this clip first. For example, I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. And after that, I'm gonna place it upper section. And for this copied clip, I'm going to remove the background first. Go to this auto removal. And let's test it. It's already removed. And after that, you can go to the effect here and choose the neon outline. And if you want to try it, and it's going to look like this, click and hold it here. Perfect. It's gonna look like this when you apply this effect for this whole clip. And keep selecting this clip and go to the basic here. And for example, I'm gonna scroll down and go to this blend and change it to be the screen. And it's gonna look like this when you put it on the upper overlay. And after that, I will start to reduce this duration. Let's say the animation gonna show from this duration. So I'm gonna select this clip first, hold, and then give the keyframe for the scale. I'm gonna start it from this 100. And then for this duration, I'm gonna make it to be 150. And so does the opacity from this 100 to become fully 0. And if you are okay with this, then you can end up from here. But if you want to make it more complex, so you can select this clip first and then give the right click and click this show variable speed animation. Basically, it's like changing the flow or the movement, guys. And we're gonna start it by this section. You can direct your cursor and give the right click until you find this ease in, ease out, easing linear. And if you need the complete movement or the mode, you can go to the show all preset. And for example, I'm gonna choose the ease out. And you're gonna click this and close it. And we're gonna jump into the opacity. You can go to this blend and just do the same thing. I'm gonna select this keyframe up here, give the right click, show all preset, and choose the ease out again. And this is the movement that we want. And if you wanna hide this preset, don't worry, you can just give the right click and hide variable speed animation, and this is the look. More smoother, right? So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.